Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abe Jacobs, and on today's update video, I'll be showing you guys how you can claim your AIDOGS token. But before I get into this update video, I would like you guys to please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Now, in my previous video, I showed you guys that AIDOGS has been listed on Radium, and I also showed you the price on DEX Screener as well. And I also shared my own personal opinion in the video that I won't be claiming my own AIDOGS token because I feel there's no point claiming it because I won't get any profit whatsoever from it. But I just decided to make this video because when I went to the comment section, I was still seeing people asking me how to claim their airdrop, So I'll be showing you guys how to do that. However, like I said in my previous video, I still won't be claiming it because it is totally unnecessary for me to. Because even to send the gas fee and all the process of claiming it is way higher than the profit there. So I'm just going to leave the token there right there. Now, all you have to do first is that you can either download Phantom app on your Play Store or you download a Phantom wallet extension and then you put in your wallet address that you registered for your AIDOGS. Now, once you've opened your Phantom wallet, please make sure it's the same wallet address that is from your AIDOGS bot. Now, once you've gotten there, you go to the browser section, you click on the search icon. Then you input this particular website, aidogs.meme.airdrop, and then you visit the website. Now, once you've loaded the website, it's going to bring Connect Wallet. So I'm going to click on Connect Wallet. Then I'll click on Phantom. Then I'll click on Connect. And as you guys can see, it has bring out my tokens. I was allocated 154.6 AIDOGS token. Now, you guys can see this is the reason why I said in my previous video that I won't really bother myself trying to claim this particular airdrop because the allocation and the price, they are all very bad for me. On this project, I was able to farm over 200,000 points, and at the end of the day, I was only allocated not even up to 200 tokens. So this is a very huge no for me to claim. So guys, this is the claiming option. It is now open. In my previous video, it wasn't really opened, but now it is opened. So all you have to do is click on claim. Now, once you click on claim and you click on proceed, you'll be needing a gas fee of 0.00011 SOL. So that is the amount of gas fee you'll be needing to claim your AIDOGS token. Now, going back to DEX Screener, AIDOGS right now is trading at $0.0002069. Now, let me go to my calculator and show you guys the reason why I'm not going to bother myself to claim this airdrop whatsoever. So this is it, guys. This is the profit. It's not even up to 5 cents. It's not even up to 10 cents. So this is why I said I'm not going to bother myself to claim this airdrop. But hey, if you still want to claim this airdrop, just deposit that amount of gas fee needed and then you can claim your AIDOGS token. So that is it for this video. That is how to claim your AIDOGS into your Phantom wallet or your Phantom wallet extension. Like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Thanks.